Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says which of the following hydroxides is amphoteric in nature? The options are barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, beryllium hydroxide और magnesium hydroxide. तो इसमें हमें फिगर आउट करना है कि जो ऑप्शंस में हाइड्रोक्साइड्स प्रेजेंट हैं उनमें से कौन सा हाइड्रोक्साइड एक एम्फोटेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड है. द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज amphoteric hydroxides. What are amphoteric hydroxides? These are the hydroxides which can act as both acid as well as a base. So in a reaction they can behave or react both as an acid और बेस. अगर हम यहाँ पे अपने ऑप्शंस में देखें तो बेरियम, कैल्शियम, बेरिलियम एंड मैग्नीशियम they all are group 2 elements, that is alkaline earth metals, which constitute beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So these are present in this order in periodic table. तो अगर हम बेसिसिटी की बात करें फॉर ग्रुप 2, in group 2 the basicity increases down the group. So as we move down the group, basicity of the elements or hydroxides of group 2 increases. So the order of basicity of group 2 hydroxide will be BeOH2 beryllium hydroxide followed by magnesium hydroxide, then calcium जो ऑप्शंस में प्रेजेंट है हम उन्हें लिख रहे हैं सिर्फ, and then barium hydroxide increases down the group, which means this hydroxide is least basic among all the hydroxides of group 2. Only this can act as amphoteric oxide, or this is amphoteric oxide which can act as both hydroxide, which can act as both acid and base, whereas all the rest of the hydroxides are too basic in nature to act as acids. तो इनकी रिएक्शंस देख लेते हैं हम. We will start with beryllium hydroxide which is amphoteric in nature. तो इसकी दोनों reactions देखते हैं. The one in which it is acting as a base as well as the one in which it is acting as an acid. So with HCl it gives beryllium chloride plus H2O. Here it is acting as a base which is reacting with acid to give salt and water. अब दूसरी रिएक्शन देख लेते हैं बेरिलियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की, in which it is acting as an acid, that is it reacts with base NaOH to give Na2BeOH4 complex. The rest of the hydroxide are basic in nature, so they will react only with acid MgOH2 plus HCl to give magnesium chloride, salt plus water, Similarly, calcium hydroxide plus HCl to give calcium chloride plus water. And in the same way, the last hydroxide, which is barium hydroxide, BaOH2 plus 2HCl gives barium chloride plus water. Okay, so all these are too basic and they only act as basic hydroxides and react with hydrogen chloride or acid to form salt and water. So out of the following, the one which the hydroxide which is amphoteric in nature is beryllium hydroxide. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.